Hey cuties, and welcome back to Cutie Nails, where everything we do here is all about nails. So cuties, if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you would know that I won the Nail Addict 4th of July giveaway. Hey cutie! Thank you so much for choosing me to be the winner of this beautiful Firefly collection. I was so happy when I found out that I won, and today's set is gonna be a watch me work, and I'm gonna use 2 of the colors from this set. It was 10 colors in total, I believe, and when you go on their website, you will see that this fireworks collection is approximately $115. So these are the colors that I'm using today: Flamingo and Firefly, and these are all the names of the colors in the collection. I didn't want to inundate you guys with me swatching them because this is going to be a watch me work, so I just wanted to get right to the process. Thank you cuties for stopping by and watching and spending a little bit of time with me. If you're new, thank you so much, and welcome to Cutie Nails. On this channel, we do a lot of Build-A-Gel sets. I'm playing with some acrylic every now and again, but for talking's sake, I went ahead and adhere all of these nails. They're full cover stiletto tips, and I just went ahead and filed over the surface, file those nails into shape, and we're gonna get started with our Pottle Build-A-Gel. I really love this Build-A-Gel. It does not run, it stays in place. You can sculpt with these, and if you guys want to see a good video of me sculpting with this Build-A-Gel, I'll make sure that it's in the description and in the cards for you guys. But I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this process, and I will pop back in shortly. I like going in with a slip layer because for me it feels like it gives my larger beads of gel a barrier, like a don't go past this line kind of, marking on my nails. And I love the fact that I don't have to really worry so much about the Pottle plasma gel running anywhere. It does adhere to those borders that you create, and it gives you that time to work this gel, add an extra bead if you need to, play around with it and get it into the desired positions that you're looking for, and get that coverage where you need it with enough time to, work this gel without stressing about it running and flooding your cuticles or the sidewalls or anything like that. And then I'm just gonna flip the fingers over so that way I can build my apex and then pop it into the lamp for 60 seconds. And you guys can see what I mean here with this plasma gel from the bottle. I have enough time to move my hand around and do what I need to do, and that gel is in place. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of non-dominant hand airtime so you guys can see, you know, how I do that is the same process. I do struggle because I am right-handed, but it is very, very easy still with applying this plasma gel to my nails because of the consistency of it and because it doesn't run as much as the IBD. To me, I don't think it runs, to tell you the honest truth. It stays there and I can maneuver this gel around. So just a little bit of non-dominant hand screen time for you guys here. So now that that's all done, it is time to go ahead and remove the tacky layer. I'm just using regular old alcohol and I'm just cleaning that off thoroughly to make sure it's nice and tacky free. And I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly shape it up again, go over the surface, make sure that cuticle is nice and flush. And then we're gonna get into our extra layers, which is gonna be these two beautiful colors, Flamingo and Sparkles, from this Nail Addict Firefly collection. Now that that's done, I'm just gonna clean off all of the dust from on the top and the bottom of my nails, and then we're gonna get into the design. I know this is what you guys have been waiting for. Judging from that beautiful thumbnail, I was so happy about these. I had these on for 2 weeks because I was on vacation, and I wore these nails just fine, no issues, did not lose any of my crystals, and you guys will see exactly how I did all of this in a second. So before I get into applying the gel polish, I find that adding a base coat makes the polish go on so much smoother. I didn't buff over these nails, so that base coat really helped to fill in any of the grooves or scratches that was on the nails because I completely forgot to buff my nails, but it's okay. I just still like the process of adding base coat before applying any gel polish. So going in with my first color, Firefly, I kept saying sparkles, Firefly, I'm gonna go ahead and do full coverage on this nail. I believe I did full coverage of 2 nails with this, but I can't recall just yet. But I love the coverage on this. I did go in with 2 coats on this nail. I don't think I showed it here, but I love the iridescent colors in it. Well, hollow. I love the hollow colors and look and sparkle of this particular polish. The polish was very smooth going on, and it was very easy to apply and get the coverage that you need. And it was so jam-packed of these hollow glitters. So this color is one of my absolute favorites. Then I went in with Flamingo, and I believe I did a full coverage on 2 of the nails with these, and then I do a vertical ombre with both colors on one of my nails. But I didn't keep the same pattern on both hands, so the full cover that may have been on this ring finger was a different color on the other finger. And you guys can see how pretty full coverage this flamingo color is. The coverage is just so rich, so beautiful, and it goes on so smoothly. So I really like these bottles. The aesthetic of it is very pretty. You get a very big bottle full of polish. I like that they have the color depicted on the top of the handles. I thought that was very pretty. The colors are true to what comes out of the bottle. I really like that. And it is also, I believe it's 9 free, animal cruelty free, and these colors are very pretty and very easy to work with, and I did not have any issues blending these colors either when I was doing this vertical ombre. So after curing that first layer, I'm just gonna go in with a second layer of each, but I'm gonna extend that Firefly just a little bit more onto the pink, and I'm just gonna blend the two of these wet colors together, and it came out exactly how I imagined it, and I really, really like the blend between these two. It was super, super pretty. So the beautiful cutie Katrina recommended these Robin Moses brushes to me, and it was super affordable. And I got a for buying the two brushes, the band and the wand, I'm sorry, and the unicorn, I got an extra wand with this set, and it was super inexpensive. I'm gonna make sure that her link is in the description box, but these bristles are so soft and they just flow so well. I have not used a nail art brush like this before in my entire life, and as long as I've been doing nails, there is no other brush that compares to how good these brushes feel and how good they just glide across the nail when you're doing art. And it's super, super thin, so you can get those very thin, intricate detail lines that you're looking for. So if you're looking for some really good nail art brushes, I do recommend these. They're made with 100% sable hair, I believe, and this brush is just gonna be a definite staple whenever I'm trying to do nail art. But you guys can see how thin the point is on this. I have not seen any other nail brand come out with a brush, a nail art brush that looks like this. You guys see how many times I have to go in with this Firefly color to get the line as thick as I'm looking for, because the bristles are that thin. But after breaking them in, it was super easy for me to just jump right in and start creating these beautiful lines to outline the shape of these two nails on both hands. Now that everything is all nice and cured, I'm just going in with my Poochie's bling gel and the Super Shine No Wipe top coat, and I pre-positioned these crystals that I got from Amazon on my mixing palette, and I'm just gonna adhere them to my nails, and then the set is gonna be all done after I add some cuticle oil. If you haven't gotten a chance to order cuticle oil from me, make sure you hit me up on Instagram to get your very own super good smelling cuticle oils that's very healthy to the growth of your nails and very nourishing to your cuticles. Thank you as always, cuties, for always stopping by and loving on me and supporting me. I really loved how this set came out. I got so many compliments on this, and I look forward to your comments on this set in the description box below. And as always, cuties, I'll most definitely talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!